working as a .NET developer in Spiro solution. Let's move on our topic. An authenticated trust and reputation calculation and management system for cloud and sensor network integration. In this paper, introduced by the incorporating the powerful data storage and data processing abilities of cloud computing as well as ubiquitous data gathering capabilities of wireless sensor network. Cloud computing and wireless sensor network integration received in the lot of attention from both academy and industry. In the ATR system, we achieved the following three functions. First one is authenticating the cloud service provider and the sensor network provider to avoid malicious imperfection attacks. The second one is calculating and managing and trust and reputation regarding the services of cloud service provider and sensor net provider. Then helping the cloud service user choose the desirable cloud service provider and accessing the cloud service provider in selecting the appropriate sensor network provider. In the existing system, an SLA is a negotiated agreement between two or more parties in which one of the customers and the others are service providers. In short, it is the part of service contract in which the service is formally defined. SLA specifies the levels of availability, serviceability, performance and operation and other attributes of services. In proposing system introduced by the incorporating the powerful data storage and data gathering abilities of cloud computing as well as the ubiquitous data gathering capabilities of wireless sensor network. In existing system, they are using the trust of services of cloud service provider and sensor net provider. In the proposing technique, we are introducing a new technique. It's called as a ATR-CM system. In the technique, is system for the cloud computing and wireless sensor network integration. It incorporates the authenticating cloud sensor provider and sensor network provider. Then considering the attribute requirement of cloud service user and cloud service provider as well as cost and trust and reputation of the service of cloud service provider and sensor network provider. The disadvantage of the existing system is the trust and the reputation calculation managing very critical and barely explore the issues. So overcome the problem, we are using the ATR system. In using the ATR system is a low cost and trust and the reputation of services. This is the overall architecture for this project. Cloud service user, they are storing their files into the cloud services. We are authenticating the cloud service provider as well as the sensor network provider. This is the software requirement of our project. We are using the operating system Windows 7 and 8.1. Front end is Visual Studio 2010 and coding language is C# and backend is SQL Server 2008. In future concept, in addition, our system security analysis powered by the three adversary models showed that our proposed system insecure versus main attacks on the trust and reputation management system such as good mouthing and bad mouthing and collision and whitewashing attacks, which are the most important access in our case. We are using the technique the security analysis. In the advantage of the proposing concept is the prevent the attacks from any security issues from the analysis the attacks.
Thank you.